Instagram with all things glam. Welcome to Build a Bitch Workshop. This is the 7th video.
We are pretty girls. We are pretty girls. We are pretty girls. I'm so pretty. We are pretty girls. We are pretty girls. We are pretty girls. You know I'm pretty.
Hey guys, so this is gonna be a really quick video. I did find some old pictures of what my teeth look like to now. So I think I spoke about my teeth in video number 4. I'm almost sure it was. Don't quote me on that. But I actually want to show you all how far they've come from what they were. Cue up that photo. Yeah, pretty bad. Again, as I said, this was just going to be an update video. I did want to update you guys from video number 1, which was the BBL and breast revision surgery video. So you have to get surgery clearance via pre-op from your family physician. I went to do that, okay? And this was what he gave me. I don't know if you guys can see this, but we're going to try. Do you see where it says I'm clear for surgery? Okay, right? Then he calls me back, get this, and tells me that my hemoglobin is too low to have surgery, so I'm gonna hold off on it after he's already cleared me. Now, I don't think this guy really knows who he's dealing with. This is what I do, okay? So what I did was, my hemoglobin is 7.7. I don't know if you all can see that, but here it is. I pulled it up on Google. Okay, trusty Google. What's that, Google? What was that? Let's see what Google says. Even though a hemoglobin of 7 to 8 is low, it's safe. Okay, that's what Google tells us. So in the event that one doctor tells you something that does not make sense to you or doesn't sit right with you, I would always get a second or third opinion. This is why I tell you guys that you should possibly see more than one surgeon to see what they have to say. Everybody's opinion is going to be different. Everybody's procedures and process are going to be different. Everybody handles things differently, and you may not get the answer that you want from the first doctor, or it may not even sit right with you or sound right. If your hemoglobin is low and you actually really need to get it up, that's pretty funny. There are 2 different things that I take to raise my hemoglobin. One of them I actually learned about in a surgery group. It's called Hemoplex, and it is iron. The only thing that your hemoglobin low is pretty much, it means that you need iron, okay? It's like you have low or abnormal red blood cells, okay? And you can also take Spring Valley's iron, which you can get at any local Walmart. The other one you can get at like your local GNC. So that will help you to actually raise your hemoglobin to a point where you can proceed with surgery. So iron deficiency anemia signs include extreme fatigue, weakness, chest pain, fast beating heart or shortness of breath, headache or dizziness, lightheadedness, cold hands and feet, inflammation or soreness of the tongue, and brittle nails. I've also learned that you can do an intravenous iron infusion. So that's pretty much like an IV drip, only with iron, but you have to have a prescription to do that. This is a medical procedure, and it's not something that you do for vanity. I've had like, oh my God, maybe 20 surgeries now. Yeah, 20, 25, something like that, somewhere in there. I've had quite a few surgeries, and some of them for medical reasons and some of them were plasties. But I was always safe to have surgery. Anyhow, we don't need a disclaimer for this video. Again, this was just a quick pop-up video. But what I do want to tell you all that if you like this video, I want you to hit the like button. I want you to share this video. I want you to comment below and subscribe. See you guys on the next video.
We are pretty girls.